Good evening. Welcome to .programming.com. This is my blog. Today I'm talking about basic or simple primitive data types. Okay. So what is the data type? That is the first question in my mind. Uh, Define the type of the data known as data type. Okay. Uh, why should we use it? Because for memory optimizations. Okay. So let's to talk about the basic or simple or primitive data types. Please write into your notebook. It's important notes for you. So data types. The definition of the data type is the type of the value that a variable can store in memory. Can be defined using data type. Okay, the type of the value that a variable can store in a memory can be defined using data type. Okay, the type of the value a equals to 0, but the so what is the type of the a? That is the integer. So a equals to 10.5. What is the type of the a? That is the float. A equals to 78910 789 and the long strings. So what should I do and take an example, that is a double and a long. Okay, so these are the example of the data types. That is the type of the data. Integer is a type, float is a type, double is a type. These are the basic or simple or primitive data types in the C library. Okay. Some primitive data types are categorized into the different parts. That is primitive data types, that is integer, int, char, that is a character, float, take decimal points, double, take decimal point with the long the size of the variable is large, and the fifth data type is void, that is a null return type actually. So integer is a keyword. So what I say about the integer, it is a keyword that is using the data type both positive and negative numbers. We can take in integer type both positive and negative numbers. In the memory, okay, stored in the memory. That is the type of the integer. What is the size of the integer? Actually 16-bit machine, actually 16-bit machine number can store by the integer type, or you can say 2 byte is the size of the integer type. 32-bit machine, that is the 4 type. If you have a 16-bit machine, then store 2 byte, and if you have a 32-bit machine, then store 4 byte. Okay, two type of the integer use in the C, that is signed integer, positive and negative, and second one is unsigned integer. Okay, unsigned, it means positive number. 32,767 is a last digit you can take in the integer if you have a 16-bit machine. Okay, let's talk about character and float and other data types. The next type of the data is float. You know about the float. Float type. In previous video tutorial, we have already learned about float, because float type store at decimal point numbers. Okay, it is a keyword also similar to the integer, but integer does not take decimal point, but float take decimal point. It is the difference between both. So it is a keyword which is used to define floating point numbers. That is, example is 10.5. Also called real number. double, it is also a keyword which is used to define high precision value double is a keyword which is used to define high precision floating point number. Example: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7.1, and after decimal you can take long string in double types. Comparatively, double take a larger value in place of float. Float take less value in comparison of double. So move to the second slide. The next type is character. The keyword is char, so it's also a keyword. Both type are also a keyword. Most of the type considered as a keyword in C library, so it's a keyword which is used to define character, single character or sequence of characters. Called string. Okay, a sequence of character called string. So char type is also take a sequence of character as a in character type array. So if you want to take a single character, then you can take variable type of the char. So a equals to single quotation b character, a equals to double quotation Jacob, that is the string. Lots of character available in Jacob, that is a J, A, C or B. Actually the 5 character available in C, sorry, available in variable A, that is the type of character. The last type is void. It is an empty data type it is normally used in function which is written null return type. We will discuss later on about the void type. So that time I will define the type. So it is an empty data type. It is normally used in function to indicate that the function does not return any value, or you can say it is a null return type. Okay, it does not occupy any space in memory. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all videos.